Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. In the last video, we learned how to write a simple Python program, and we learned how to run the program from the terminal. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a simple program from the terminal. Imagine you want to run some commands on terminal based on Python, so what you should do. For this, launch your terminal, then write Python. As you can see, there are some text over there, for example, which is showing the version of the Python and some other information. Over here, you can write any command that you normally write in an editor, and it is going to be executed. For example, I will write 2 plus 2, and when I hit enter, it is 4. In contrast to C or C++ languages or the languages like that, Python doesn't need to compile the code, and it can execute the code immediately. For example, if we write print, which is showing for some text, some output, and we write, for example, hello world, and if I hit the enter, you can see that hello world is going to be shown on the screen. Or for example, we can define a variable and get some input and save it on the variable. Don't worry if you don't understand some of the commands here. We will cover all of them in the future. Okay, for this we can define an input, a variable like name, and we write input, and we write a text that should be shown, should be displayed. What is your name? Okay, then we hit enter. Now we can see what is your name. Okay, I'm going to write, for example, David, and if I write name, I can see that David has been stored in that variable. So if we want to quit the Python programming, we can write exit and open and close bracket, which is calling the exit function. So here on the terminal, you can write Python, and you can write the codes that you want to be executed. So exit the program.